Welcome to a comprehensive guide on post-hernia operation Kegel exercises. These exercises are crucial for recovery and strengthening after hernia surgery. Understanding the importance of hernia operation recovery is key to a successful recovery journey. Kegel exercises play a vital role in this process. Let's delve into the specifics of Kegel exercises post-hernia operation. These exercises target the pelvic floor muscles, aiding in overall strength and recovery. Consistency is key when it comes to Kegel exercises. Regular practice can significantly enhance muscle tone and support the healing process post-surgery. Proper technique is essential for effective Kegel exercises. Focus on contracting and relaxing the pelvic floor muscles to maximize the benefits. Incorporating Kegel exercises into your daily routine can lead to improved bladder control and increased core strength, essential for post-hernia operation recovery. Stay committed to your Kegel exercise regimen to experience long-term benefits in terms of pelvic health and overall well-being. Remember, post-hernia operation Kegel exercises are not just physical. They also promote mental resilience and a positive outlook on recovery. Seek guidance from healthcare professionals to tailor Kegel exercises to your specific needs and ensure a safe and effective recovery journey. Embrace the process of post-hernia operation recovery with dedication to your Kegel exercise routine, paving the way for a stronger and healthier future. Stay informed and proactive in your recovery journey by incorporating Kegel exercises as a fundamental aspect of your post-hernia operation care. As you progress with your Kegel exercises, monitor your improvements and celebrate each milestone achieved in your post-hernia operation recovery. Consolidate your commitment to Kegel exercises for a well-rounded recovery experience that focuses on both physical and emotional well-being. The journey of post-hernia operation recovery is unique to each individual. Embrace Kegel exercises as a personalized approach to your healing process. Incorporate Kegel exercises not just as a routine, but as a mindful practice that nurtures your body and accelerates your recovery post-hernia operation. Stay dedicated to your Kegel exercises, knowing that each repetition brings you closer to a stronger and more resilient post-hernia operation recovery. As you conclude your Kegel exercise session, reflect on the progress made and the positive impact these exercises have on your post-hernia operation journey. Thank you for joining this guide on post-hernia operation Kegel exercises. Remember, consistency and commitment are key to a successful recovery. Stay strong and dedicated on your journey to wellness.